Understanding the Oven Thermometer, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common kitchen gadget, the oven thermometer. Understanding everyday objects and their uses not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you a glimpse into everyday life and culture. Let's dive into the world of cooking and learn more about the oven thermometer. An oven thermometer is a tool used in cooking. It's a small device that measures the temperature inside an oven. Unlike the built-in thermometer that comes with most ovens, this is a separate, portable thermometer that you can place inside your oven. It's especially helpful for ensuring that your oven is at the right temperature for baking or roasting. This tool is crucial for recipes that require precise temperatures. Many ovens, especially older models, might not show the accurate temperature. An oven thermometer ensures that you're cooking at the correct temperature. This can be very important in baking, where even a few degrees difference can affect the outcome. It's also useful for verifying if your oven is working properly. In short, an oven thermometer is a key to successful cooking and baking. There are different types of oven thermometers, like dial thermometers and digital thermometers. Dial thermometers have a needle that points to the temperature, whereas digital thermometers display the temperature on a screen. Each type has its advantages, but both serve the same purpose: to provide an accurate temperature reading inside your oven. Using an oven thermometer is simple. 1. Place the thermometer in the oven, ideally in the center. 2. Preheat your oven to the desired temperature. 3. Check the thermometer's reading to see if it matches the temperature you set your oven to. 4. Adjust the oven settings if necessary. Remember, always handle the thermometer with care, especially when it's hot. And that's all about the oven thermometer. We hope this video has been informative and has added a useful term to your English vocabulary. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just curious about everyday objects, understanding terms like oven thermometer can be both practical and enriching. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.